Hi, and welcome to your English class. Today, you're going to learn about regular verbs, regular English verbs. And we will go over the simple form, simple past, past participle, and present participle. 4 things for these verbs. I will give you 5 examples of verbs that are regular. What does regular mean? It means that in the simple past and in the past participle, both forms are the same. They both end with ed. Are you ready? Let's go. Okay. Hope. Hope. Simple past. Hoped. Hoped. Past participle. Hoped. Hoped. Present participle. Hoping. Hoping. Next. Stop. To stop. Simple past. Stopped. Stopped. Past participle. Stopped. Stopped. Present participle or gerund. Stopping. Stopping. Next verb. To listen. To listen. Simple past. Listened. Listened. Past participle. Listened. Listened. Present participle or gerund. Listening. Listening. Next verb. To study. To study. Simple past. Studied. Studied. Past participle. Studied. Studied. Present participle or gerund. Studying. Studying. Next verb. To start. To start. Simple past. Started. Started. Past participle. Started. Started. Present participle or gerund. Starting. Starting. Please feel free to listen and repeat as many times as you need. Please let me know if you have any questions below, and I hope to see you at our next lesson. Thank you, and goodbye.